Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my second episode of solving LeetCode problems. Today we're doing another easy problem, and it is best time to buy and sell stock. Here's the description. Essentially what we're doing is we're going to iterate through this array, and we're going to find the lowest value at which to buy, and then after we buy a stock, we're going to look for values after it that will give us or yield us maximum profit. However, say we buy at 1, we cannot go back in time and sell at 7, obviously, because you cannot go back in time. Okay, so essentially this is just a min-max problem. I'm not gonna lie, this one took me a little bit longer and took a lot more submissions than I thought it would. I was overthinking it, so try not to overthink some of these LeetCode problems because they're way more simple than you realize. And this is essentially just a min and max problem. So to start off, we're going to create our min and max variables. I'm going to call my min buy, and I'm going to set this to integer.max value. And then I'm going to do my max. I'm going to call it sell, and I'm going to set it to 0. A good rule of thumb when doing min and maxes is set your min to a high value and set your max to a low value. I learned that doing other LeetCode problems, and so I thought I might as well just tell you. From here, we're going to do a for loop, prices.lang. Okay, from here, we're just going to look for the minimum. Since buys are minimum, we're going to be checking that. So if buy is greater than prices, the current index we are at, we're going to set buy to the current index. Simple stuff. And then if we skip over this if statement, so essentially, if this doesn't hit, that means we're already looking at an index that we've bought. So we need to check, since it's not in contention to be a buy, so since it's not smaller than the current buy we are at, we're going to see if its profit yields a higher profit from the sell we are already at, if that makes sense. So basically, if we're not buying it, we're going to check to see if it yields a higher profit than the profit we're already at. Hopefully that makes a little sense. So then we're going to do an else if statement, and we're going to check if prices at the current index we are at minus buy is greater than sell. So this is going to check if the profit of the current index is greater than the profit we are at. And if it is, we're just going to set sell to that profit. And then from there, that's it. We can just return sell because that's our max profit. Run this. It runs. Submit it. And there we go. Hope you guys learned something. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.